Top 5 rooted things public should know about autism. First, autism is not a disease, it's a neurological difference. Second, every autistic person is unique. No two are alike. Third, autism affects communication, not intellect. Fourth, sensory issues are real. Environment impact autistic people. Fifth, acceptance reduces stigma. Acceptance is key. Exercise. Go for introspection and realize any 5 behaviors of your which is hurting others. Just break the pattern. Patterns cannot be broken in one day. So this entire autism awareness month, ponder upon your wrong behaviors and try to eradicate from your personality forever.